How to use AI avatars in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the AI tools. Click on Start Editing to open the workspace. You will see two main options, Image Edit and Text to Image. To create AI avatars, select Text to Image. In the Text to Image section, enter a detailed prompt describing the avatar you want. Include features like your style, facial expression, clothing, background and style. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI-generated avatar will match your vision. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate Now button. Wait for the AI to process your request and your avatar will appear as an image output. After finalizing, download your avatar to use in social media, gaming, projects or creative content. Using NanoBanana.ai, you can easily create unique and personalized avatars from text descriptions. Now you know how to use AI avatars in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.